GoodSync or FreeFileSync. Which file syncing solution should you actually use in 2026? I've tested both extensively, and the winner depends on one critical factor. Smash that like button because this comparison will save you hours of frustration. FreeFileSync is completely free, open source, and powerful. You get bidirectional sync, cross-platform support for Windows, Mac, and Linux, plus real-time sync for monitoring folders and triggering automatic syncs. It's perfect for tech-savvy users who want full control without subscriptions. GoodSync is the premium paid option with a polished interface and advanced features. You get block-level Delta copying, cloud integration with major providers, mobile apps, and professional support. It's built for users who want simplicity and are willing to pay for convenience. Cost reality. Here's the brutal truth. FreeFileSync is 100% free, zero cost, ever. No subscriptions, no hidden fees, completely open source. GoodSync? $39.95 per year for the basic workstation license, and that's recurring every single year. For server deployments, you're looking at $499.95 annually. Over 5 years, GoodSync costs you $200 minimum, while FreeFileSync remains free. But, and this matters, GoodSync offers professional support and automatic updates, while FreeFileSync relies on community forums. Real-time syncing. Both handle real-time monitoring, but differently. FreeFileSync includes real-time sync, a separate utility that watches folders for changes and triggers batch syncs automatically. It works perfectly, but requires manual setup through batch files. You configure idle times, set monitored folders, and it runs in the background. GoodSync has built-in real-time sync that's significantly easier, just toggle it on in the interface. No batch files, no separate utilities. For beginners, GoodSync wins on simplicity. For power users who want granular control, FreeFileSync's approach is more flexible. Delta copy and performance. This is critical for large files. GoodSync supports block-level delta copying, meaning if you change one paragraph in a 30 GB file, it only transfers those changed blocks, not the entire file. This saves massive time and bandwidth, especially over networks or to cloud storage. FreeFileSync? No delta copying. It copies entire modified files every time. For small files or local drives, this isn't a deal breaker. For large databases, PST files, or VM images syncing over networks, GoodSync's delta copying is a game changer. Ease of use. GoodSync has a polished, modern GUI that's genuinely beginner-friendly. Drag folders in, configure sync direction, hit analyze and sync. Done. FreeFileSync's interface is functional but dated-looking. It does the job but feels utilitarian. Setting up real-time sync requires understanding batch files and command line basics, which scares off non-technical users. GoodSync also offers mobile apps for iOS and Android. FreeFileSync, desktop only. Cloud and protocol support. Both support FTP, SFTP, and network shares. GoodSync integrates natively with Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, Amazon S3, Azure, Backblaze, B2, basically every major cloud service with OAuth authentication built in. FreeFileSync supports cloud storage but requires third-party tools or mounting cloud drives as local folders, which adds complexity. For cloud-heavy workflows, GoodSync is significantly smoother. Choose FreeFileSync if you're tech-savvy, want zero ongoing costs, and don't need delta copying for large files. It's incredibly powerful, fully free, and perfect for local or network syncs, where bandwidth isn't limited. Choose GoodSync if you sync large files frequently, need seamless cloud integration, want professional support, or prefer polished interfaces over command line configuration. The $40 year cost pays for itself if you value your time and need delta copying. For most home users with basic sync needs, FreeFileSync delivers unbeatable value. For businesses or power users dealing with large files and cloud storage, GoodSync's features justify the subscription. That's your honest comparison. If this helped, subscribe for more no BS tech reviews. Links to both tools in the description. See you next time.